Used car dealerships often come in for a bad rap. Today we got a glimpse of why, with police and the Department of Fair Trading raiding 4 car yards as part of a major fraud crackdown.
It's an old used car sales scam that's new again. Odomina winebacks costing buyers money and posing safety risks.
The information we've received today points to something like 100 vehicles having been tampered with in this way.
Used cars imported from Japan, the prime suspects, because their history is unclear. Police and inspectors from the Department of Fair Trading raided 3 dealerships in Sydney's inner west this morning.
It's anticipated a number of persons will be prosecuted by the New South Wales Police.
Edward Lees Imports, Dream Car City and Prestige Auto Centre on Parramatta Road with a focus, as well as Master Cars at Blacktown.
Warrants were issued for the obtaining of records from each of those dealerships.
It's often thought that tampering with speedos in modern cars is more difficult because the odometers are digital. In fact, the technology has made it easier. 9 News has been told a simple computer chip available on eBay can be used to doctor the display.
It's fraud and it carries up to 10 years jail.
This couple from Uruguay turned up at Edward Lees Imports with their car on a tow truck. They bought it just last week. 15 years old and with only 140,000 kilometres on the clock, it broke down as they were driving across the Harbour Bridge.
They will fix it or refund us.
3 of the dealerships now have to show cause why their licences shouldn't be suspended. Dream Car Cities was suspended on the spot. Simon Boda, 9 News.